Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print a nozzle check pattern and perform a printhead cleaning on Canon Pixma G1411 model. So when we are in a ready state, press and hold the cancel button and release it when the lamp flashes 2 times for the nozzle check pattern. So press and hold and wait for 2 times blinking and release it. And now the nozzle check pattern will be printed. Now we see here some missing lines, so we have to perform a printhead cleaning. How to perform it? Again, in a ready state, press and hold this button and wait until it blinks once, then release it. So press, 1 blink and release, and the printhead cleaning is being performed. Wait about 1 or 2 minutes and it will be ready. So that's it. Thank you very much and good luck.